20 things that can cause blindness. Number 1. So one holiday, you just fine, having great time with your friends and family, but you realize, during night parties, you are having difficulties to see. It starts slowly but keeps on worsening. You decide to visit a doctor and he tells you, you have night blindness. Do you know what causes night blindness? Vitamin A deficiency. Make sure to learn more about vitamin A to prevent night blindness. Number 2. Drain stagnant water, clear bushes around the house, sleep under treated mosquito net. Healthcare are doing everything they can to prevent you from mosquito bites. Most of us know mosquito is chief transmitter of malaria parasite. But, did you know it can also transmit a virus, called Zika? This virus is very dangerous to a pregnant mother, since it can cause blindness to the newborn. Number 3. We age every day. Aging comes with its fortunes and misfortunes. In some cases, the eye lens can be obstructed by a substance. No pain, no redness, just blurred vision that can progress to blindness. You visit a physician, and he says it is cataract. What causes is mostly unknown, but it can be linked with smoking, alcohol, diabetes, or viral infection. Children can also be born with cataract, if the mother is infected by rubella during pregnancy. So make sure to keep necessary caution. Number 4. In case there is problem in development of eyes or a disease occurs. There might be an overproduction of fluid in the eye. Or the way out of the fluid can be blocked, causing pressure in the eyes to increase. This pressure can damage important structures such as the nerves. This condition is called glaucoma and can cause blindness. At first there are always no signs, but as the condition progresses it can cause blindness. It is very important to keep frequent consultation with your optician to prevent damages that can be managed. Number 5. I'm sure you are familiar with parts of digestive system, including the accessory organs. Pancreas is really important in regulation of sugar. In case the body fails to regulate sugars, then someone develops diabetes. It can be managed, but, if not well taken care of, its complication can cause glaucoma and cataract. Conditions that can lead to blindness. Number 6. In case we are dealing with harmful situations, we are told to make sure to wear protective attires. Including, is eye protection. Do you know why? Because injury to the eyes can lead to blindness. Number 7. The eyes has different parts. One of the parts is conjunctiva. Injury by physical, mechanical or bacterial factors such as trachoma, can cause inflammation to it, resulting to blindness. Number 8. Our body is built with a defense system to protect us against disease. But in case of lupus erythematosus, the defense fights body parts. It's really not clear what causes it, but it can be due to genetic, environmental factors, drugs or hormones. The eye blinds can occur. Who is at risk? Young females. Number 9. As we age our body becomes slow. Some parts reduce in size. In case the retina and the pigments reduce in size, then our eyes are affected. Sometimes things grow in the retina and can lead to blindness. Number 10. Eat healthy, do physical exercise, avoid drugs, avoid smoking, visit your doctor more frequently. All this is to enable us have healthy life far from some things such as obesity. If we don't live healthy, clot can develop. If brain or heart is affected, then stroke can occur. In case this clot finds its way to the blood supply to eyes, it can cause blockage. Any part of the body that fails to get blood dies. If the eyes is affected, then blindness is on the way. Number 11. Headache, pain on scalp when touched, or pain in throat and later blindness. All these signs can be a sign of a condition called giant cell arteritis. A condition that affects the arteries. Mostly affects older people. Number 12. Headache is a symptom of many diseases. It can be mild or severe. When I say headache, I'm sure you can relate migraines. Most people just use painkillers to ease the pain. But, did you know, in severe cases it can cause blindness and even ear problems. Number 13. Most people really don't know if they have high blood pressure, since at first, there are no signs and symptoms. It can be managed, but if not well controlled, it can cause damage to eyes and cause blindness. Risk factors are still the same. So, make sure to live a healthy life. Number 14. Brain controls different parts of the body. In the brain, there is a part responsible for sight. In case it is injured by trauma, or by disease or tumor, then blindness can occur. I know the scalp protects your brain. But please, do the necessary to put more caution. Number 15. Herpes virus, mostly affect the mouth and genital. In some cases it can affect the eyes causing blindness. Make sure to practice safe sex. And learn more on how to prevent yourself from it. Number 16. Vaccination against measles is all over, trying to eradicate it. But what can happen if some people are not immunized? In case measles outbreak occurs, then complications to brain and spinal cord, respiratory system and even the eyes can occur if not well managed. Number 17. Another virus that can cause blindness is pox virus. Although it is being eliminated through vaccination. In case of infection, complication can be to the eyes causing blindness. Number 18. I love cats, we keep them as pets. But did you know it can transmit a protozoa, which can cause toxoplasmosis? If not well managed, it can cause blindness. Learn more about toxoplasmosis to understand it more. Number 19. Have you ever heard of black fly? Well, it can transmit a parasite, which causes a disease called onchocerciasis. The filiary eye can be seen crossing the eyes. Sometimes blindness can occur. 20. Sexually transmitted diseases. I believe you are familiar with the diseases. From the name, you know how it is transmitted. In case of eye syphilis, blindness can occur. Thanks for watching. Please like if it was informative and please subscribe. Bye.